Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here to talk to you about bobbling and pilling. I'm going to do two videos about this. So the first one is about the worst thing you can do with the bobbles. Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here with another Knit and Natter Vlogmas. We are here talking today about bobbling and pilling, because this happens a lot. You may knit something, think it's fabulous, you wear it a couple of times and it's just covered in bobbles. What's gone wrong? What is the worst thing you can do to get rid of those bobbles? I'm going to tell you that today. If you want to see tomorrow's video, which is more tricks to tell you how you should get rid of those bobbles, then hit the subscribe button, click on the little bell so you're notified when that video goes up. I'm giving you a video every day in December so that you can find out all of the little tricks that I've got for you about knitting. Okay, let's get going, shall we? What's the worst thing you can do with your knits if they start bobbling and pilling? Well, one of the worst things you can do is actually sit there and pull them off. Just, oh, this is annoying. I'll just pull off my bobbles and pills, and that's that. Why is that probably the worst thing you can do? Well, actually because you're tearing the fibres when you do that. You can hear it kind of go rip, 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 rip. And you think, oh phew, that's a lot of fibres I've just taken off. That bobble's gone, throw it in the bin. But you've just pulled a lot of fibres out of the fabric, and then it's going to cause more bobbles. You don't want that. And the other thing, that is probably one of the worst things you can do, is get one of these, because that gives exactly the same effect. You can find these in shops that sell knitwear. I've been offered these before, obviously because I bought one. I've been offered these before in shops, and I think, oh wow, this is amazing, it saved my jumpers, it's so brilliant. But the problem is that it's doing exactly the same thing. It's tearing the yarn. You can hear it. Can you hear that? It's tearing the yarn just as much as if you were pulling it off by hand. And by tearing the yarn, you're just encouraging more bobbles, more fibres to come out of the fabric and create more pills, more bobbles. You don't want that. So those two things are the worst things you can do if you have bobbles and pills on your fibre, on your fabric. Okay, so come back tomorrow. I'm going to give you some ideas about what is a great way to get rid of those bobbles, those pills. I will see you for that. Do subscribe, hit the little bell, and I'll be back for that tomorrow. Bye for now. Happy knitting.